Okay, guys, welcome to Anjanal Nam's YouTube channel. Today is something different video related to fishing. So I am here in Fish Mall in Derha, Dubai. Okay, guys, so let's go inside the fish area in Fish Mall here in Derha, Dubai. Alright, so you can see it's a big mall and a lot of fishing counter here. It's like a big fish mall. You can see this type of fish which they are selling here, and they have given the which fish allowed what size they should sell. All right, so let's go here, see this. Oh my god, I'm surprised. Very nice. Oh my god, big hammoud. Nice. Check the crab here. Biggest crab which I have seen ever. Oh, small man. Shrimps, all the lobsters and all. Shrimp, crabs, shrimps. It's very nice. Big fish. Kingfish, jerry, tuna, shark. This is shark, guys. Flatfish, shrimp. So they will ring the bell and the people need to stop their activity and close the shops. So slowly you can see a lot of people left already from their counter. They're from the shop of fishing shop, and a lot of people they're putting ice and making ready for next opening. Maybe it's around 3 o'clock they will open again. So that's why you will see a lot of counter. There is no people here. So this is the fishing mall here in Derha, Dubai. So guys, look at the lobsters here. Nice lobster, fresh lobsters here. Very nice. So guys, this is the fishing mall, and you guys see this small shark. I'm wondering how these people allowed to keep these small sharks here. Or really small sharks they have for selling here, and this quite big, maybe around 2 to 3 kg sharks. So look at this, guys. The mall is closing, that's why you can see the ringing bell everywhere. Now we are walking in the dirty water areas. All the people are cleaning here, that's why you see all it's wind up. You see the people are not there on the counter. It means now what will happen, the people they will clean the area, counter area, then they leave the dirt here. So now the cleaners for the mall, they will come and clear the middle area. This is how they getting the area clean, and they will open around 2 o'clock again. So guys, look at the hamur size. It's a big hamur, maybe around 30 to 40 kg hamur. This is really nice. Oh, seafood, varieties of seafood.
See the color of this.
Oh, sail. See the look at this sail. I think this is deep water sail. That's why they are in different color. Yeah, this is very nice sail. Very nice. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Sail. Different varieties of seafood here. Very nice. Very nice, guys. Look at, see this. Oh, very nice. Okay, guys. Come on, let's go. There is shark. We want to see that shark. We will see this last shark, then we'll go to dry food area. Guys, look at this shark. You see this? While fishing time, they fish. Because they did not remove this line, because the shark is biting. That's why they did not remove this line. You can see this. The shark is biting. That's why they don't remove this line. That's why hook is still remain there. Here, if you see this, it's almost 40 to 30 kilograms hamur. So maybe very expensive this one. So guys, look. Fish Mall, Dera, Dubai. See the kingfish and hamur fish. Sultan Ibrahim, all fish. It's a nice fish. Lobster, very nice.
Crabs, crabs.
Crabs, my
That's
goodness.
crabs.
Oh yeah. Very nice crab. Cherry hamur. So this is the biggest mall maybe in Asia, fish mall, biggest one maybe. See guys, everywhere you can see full fishing shops. All type of shrimps, lobsters and everything. Varieties of fish here. Lot of lobsters, and you have all shrimps, big. This is all seafood. Very nice. Oh my god, see this, look at this big crab. Very nice. Amur, maybe this is around 20 kg amur or bigger than that. Nice. So this is the shrimps.
Sherry, amur, sherry.
Amur and cherry. Oh, that's nice. Cherry, everywhere cherry. Very nice. Tuna fish? कितना है?
30 dirham.
30 dirham. How many kg?
4 kg भैया.
4 kg. Oh, nice, huh? Fresh है. Very good.
1 kilo है. Unbeatable.
No, we are
20
not staying here. We are staying outside. We don't.
20 dirham okay.
Yeah.
Is that okay all?
All okay. Tuna, very good. Lot of fish. Kingfish. Big kingfish.
Kingfish चाहिए?
How much this?
30 dirham.
30 dirham?
30 dirham.
One piece?
1 kg.
1 kg, not one piece.
How many kg you want?
Very nice. So one piece is how much? How many kg this?
6 kilo, 7 kilo.
6-7 kilo. Oh, very good. This is fresh, huh?
Yeah.
Very good. Thank you. So this is the fish market, guys. A lot of fish here. What is that?
Shells.
Sales.
I want.
Okay, this is sale. Nice fish. Oh my god. See the crab size, guys. The big crab. Look at this crab. Very big. Oh my god. Which fish this the one?
It's moda.
Moda. How many kg almost? 50 kg, huh? Guys, look at this moda fish. It's almost 50 kg. My goodness, see this. A lot of big fish here. Nice. Okay. Very good. Nice. See this beautiful creatures. Very nice. Okay guys, so look at this, all the fishes. Oh my god, see this. When we go for diving, we see this colorful fish and we get happy. But now when we see this, see them died and selling, then we feel very bad, guys. But look at this very beautiful fish. So this is Sultan Ibrahim. This is nice tasty sweet. Okay. Okay guys, this is the fishing mall here. Very nice. How much? 1 kg?
1 kg 30 the only half kilo.
Ah, then one piece is how many kg?
2 kg.
2 kg.
1.5.
Ah, okay. All right. Thank you. Very nice. So look at this barracuda, guys. This is the barracuda which we caught many times here in Dubai. So now this is another big sharks. Look at this shark. See the teeth of the shark. My goodness, very dangerous. This is stingray, guys. See the look at the size of this stingray. Very big.
You told it impossible to catch.
This barracudas and all other fish. Big fish here. So king, all the king here. So guys, this is the fish mall. You will see everywhere fish sell. See this shelf, very nice, tasty. And see this, oh my god, crab. See the size of the crab. It's a big one, very big. Nice, very colorful fish here. Very nice colorful fish.
See, big one.
The big one, oh my god, it's a very big. Look at this mahi. Guys, this is the fish. We went 2 times for catching the mahi fish, and unfortunately one time we didn't get. The other guys, they got it. So this is mahi fish. Look at this, guys. This small fish. You see this small fish, but this is very tasty and very expensive compared to this big fish. You will find this fish is very expensive here. Local, they like this fish. So this is fishing mall, guys. Okay, so oh my god, see this. Look at the size of fish, guys. Very nice big fish here. So now this is cleaning going on. This is the closing time, I think. Then they will open after prayer. So now they are preparing everything and getting it clear everything. So later on they might open again. So after prayer, see, you can see the bell. This is the sign to stop the shops. So okay guys, so we are winding up. They are closed the mall. Now we are going. You see this all closed. Now they will clean and they will open the mall. Okay guys, bye. Subscribe to the channel and like and press the bell icon to see the more videos. Okay guys, this is the fish cleaning area. We buy the fish from there, then they cleaning the fish here. Okay, so this is how they clean the fish. All this area is for fish cleaning. So people buy the fish there and they will leave it here. Then these people will clean. Then we need to wait on this. See our numbers. Once you give the fish, they will give these numbers. When it is ready, you will see here on the token number whether it is ready or not. Those token number which is showing, it is means that is ready. So once your token number comes, we need to collect the fish from here. Alright guys, so this is the fishing cleaning area, fish cleaning area. Lot of people here, almost more than 100 counter for the fish cleaning.
So fish shop area finished. Now this is meat area. Alright, thank you very much for watching Angela Naps YouTube channel. Please subscribe to the channel and press bell icon for new videos. Alright, bye.